Hi and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2014 64 Reg 330D M Sport Touring. The vehicle is presented in mineral grey, features the Y&C body enhancement kit alongside some very nice options and features from BMW. As with all of our cars, it is physically in stock, ready to be driven away. There are no hidden extras, so how you see the car is how you'll purchase it. If of course you'd like to know anything more about the vehicle, including prices and funding options, then please do go ahead and check the description box, as I'll leave contact and web links available for you there. Over on the website you can see all of the prices, funding options, and of course our simple, easy to use finance calculator. Or if of course you prefer, you can get in touch via text, email, WhatsApp, telephone for any inquiries on this fantastic 3-litre diesel M Sport Touring. So with the in-house enhancement kit, we've opted for the 19-inch 442M BMW alloy wheels. These have been freshly refinished in the original Bi-Orbit Jet Black. You've got the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, gloss black front splitter, matching kidney grills. You'll notice behind the alloy wheels the M Sport Plus brakes, as this car does come with the full M Sport Plus package, which is a great addition to any 3 Series, and especially so this Touring variant. You've got the gloss black side sill extensions, Y&C and performance decals, and satin side vinyls, rear privacy glass, again as part of that Plus package. We're going to get a proper look through the interior in just a few minutes. You've got the satin rear spoiler, which for me really does finish off the 3 Series Tourer very, very nicely. Gloss black rear spoiler, rear diffuser, sorry. And you have got front and rear sensors with a reversing camera on this car, which is a great option. Of course, the tailgate is electrically operated, both opening and closing. You can there see for yourself how good the boot space really is on the 3 Series Estate Touring. You have also, of course, also got the luggage cover and factory fit dog guard to keep things as protected as possible. You have also got folding seats as well, so should you need any more room than that, you can of course do so. But again, for day-to-day use, I can't see where you're going to need much more space than that. On, however, to the passenger side, where again you can see for yourself that this car has been very nicely looked after. The interior is the superb coral red Dakota leather, which is a great colourway for this vehicle. Really does look fantastic. Plenty of space back here, full 3-seat Isofix, central folding armrest. Really nice, clean, tidy example of the 330D M Sport Touring. For the drivers and passengers front seats then, these are both heated. You have got an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is of course going to work very nicely with the 3-litre diesel engine. We've got the Harman Kardon audio. This car has also had a next base dash cam fitted. So it has got all of the box and all of the connectors supplied with that. It's all wired up, ready to go. So again, that is really nice, especially not only for your benefit in terms of both security and of course in case of the worst in terms of a little accident, but it can also bring your insurance down should you take the time to notify your insurance company that you have one of those fitted. You can see it there up in the window. Then it's nice to have all of the box and other connectors with that, and of course the SD card and the adapter with that, so that's in the car for you. You'll probably hear it start up. So that will come to life. There you go. So again, all set up, ready to go, ready to keep your car secure as possible and keep you safe on the road. Cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions, pedals for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. This car has covered just over 94,000 miles, and you have to bear in mind that this is a 2014 64 registered car, so that is pretty much bang on average mileage for a car of this year and type. Professional wide nav and media, another great option. Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio, front CD, music collection, USB, AUX and Bluetooth line-in. Let's just check out the servicing history, which again has been really impressively looked after. 13,000 miles till next service. The last 2 have been done by a BMW independent specialist, but prior to that, full BMW service history. There is that rear facing reversing camera I was mentioning, front and rear sensors alongside, dual auto climate, heated front seats. Again, a really well equipped 330D M Sport Touring here in stock, ready to be driven away. If of course you'd like to know anything more, please do go ahead and just check the description box and I will leave contact and web links available there for you. Thank you, take care, bye bye.